Good morning.
Hey Louise, you alright?
Yeah, good. How are you?
I'm good. You here for your appointment?
Yes, please.
Alright, just take a seat and Mike will be out.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Most people do not come here because something suddenly went wrong. More often, it is weeks, months, sometimes years of carrying more than the body was ever designed to hold.
Louise, do you want to come on in?
The long days, the busy schedules, the stress, the tension, the small aches and discomforts that slowly become part of everyday life. And before we know it, feeling tired feels normal, feeling stiff feels normal, feeling disconnected from our bodies feels normal. But it does not have to be. At Aligned Wellness, every journey begins with listening. Taking the time to understand you, how you move, how you feel, and what your body may be trying to tell you. Because true well-being is about more than treating symptoms. It is about restoring balance, building strength, finding calm, and helping you reconnect with the version of yourself that feels energized, confident, and well. Through personalized care, movement, therapy, and treatment, we help support your body and mind so you can move more freely, breathe more deeply, and feel more like yourself again. Aligned Wellness, your body in good hands.
Hiya.
Hello.
How was your session?
Amazing, thank you. Can I book same time next week, please?
Yes, same time?
Yep.
Good. Alright.
Lovely, thank
Right.
you.
See you later.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Bye.